Olori Tobiloba could not believe what Kabiyesi started doing this time around. This is to show her that Kabiyesi is not happy with her at all at all. And again, what her uncle is doing this time around shows that they have evil agenda towards the palace and Kabiyesi's properties. Yes, because I cannot understand why Tobiloba's uncle will threaten to buy Queen Naomi over house. The house we are talking about is not Queen Naomi's house. Neither Queen Naomi is the one that is planning to sell the house. Because I think this is the reason why Kabiyesi became angry and seized the car he seized. So according to what we heard, before we proceed, you're welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time. How are you doing? I hope you are good, my people. Thank you so much for always being here. I really appreciate you. So, but what we are hearing right now is that um Olori TikTok, when we heard that she was pregnant, Kabiyesi is a man that love to make life to be comfortable for people. Yes, he makes life for to be comfortable, especially, not just especially, for everybody. If he find out that you are in need, he help. There was a time we heard that he gave is it 1,000 bags of rice to is it ASO workers, and also 10 million naira just to help them, because some of them have not been paid for some months. So Kabiyesi is a philanthropist. He help people so much, and I think it's because of this um his heart, his good heart, that made him to pardon all this nonsense these Oloris are doing in the palace. Yes. Okay, according to what we heard, they said that when Tobiloba was pregnant, according to what we heard, that she was pregnant. You don't know whether she's actually pregnant or not then. Kabiyesi went and bought one 2020 model car for her. And that car is a very big car. Kabiyesi intentionally bought that car for her. And since then, she had been using the car with her driver until we heard that she gave birth. So, not just that car, she had a car before, and the Kabiyesi bought another one for her. So these two cars now, uh, she had been using it when she was at Ikoyi. So now that they said that they are going to be welcome her back to the palace, that is before they welcome her, people were expecting that she will come down to Ile-Ife with her two cars, at least to be making movement easy for her. She left those cars there. She took flight and they came back to Ile-Ife. Even her driver that she's supposed to fill the car with petrol, and they order the driver to bring down the car to at least one of the car to the palace. She left the two of them there, park it there. She was hoping that there was this beautiful white car that Kabiyesi, that is official palace official car, that Kabiyesi left at the palace. But not knowing that Kabiyesi have given that car to Adewamiwa. So when Tobiloba came back, Adewamiwa found out that maybe Tobiloba did not come back with her car. Adewamiwa had been around, according to what we heard. She's a student, but she had been around all this time. So Adewamiwa left the car for her. That Adewamiwa doesn't disturb her about the car. So she had been using this car. In short, that car is official car for the palace. But Kabiyesi gave it to Adewamiwa. It doesn't mean that any other person cannot use it. But since Adewamiwa had been around, Kabiyesi deliberately give it to Adewamiwa to be using, so that she will not feel stranded if she want to go out for anything at all. So, but since Tobiloba came back, she have this car in mind. That is tell that this woman, she have come into the palace to dig. she have come to dig a lot of things. Maybe her mind will now tell her that after she use this one for palace finish, they go tell her, yeah, since you don use am finish, oya carry am dey go, you know. But the car they say that Kabiyesi bought for her when she said she was pregnant was a car worth of almost 14 million naira. So that is tell that is a very big car. Adewamiwa left this car for Tobiloba. Every other Oloris, some of them you do use a car if their own have any fault, or if they don't want to use their own because it's official palace car. Everybody left the car for her. She alone was the one using the car. Anywhere she wants to go, she used the car. But since using this car and they still bring trouble to Kabiyesi, means that she doesn't value the fact that everybody left this car for her to be using, so that she will not be carrying her children and trekking. She doesn't value, she doesn't appreciate it. Kabiyesi now sees that car. Number one, Kabiyesi is angered. Why would her uncle threaten to buy Queen Naomi? For what reason? That if Kabiyesi sells the Ikoyi mansion, that they are going to buy Queen Naomi. Tobiloba have 2 cars parked in the Ikoyi mansion. She left them there and came back to Ile-Ife to be using the Adewamiwa's by virtue of Kabiyesi had given it to Adewami, is now Adewamiwa's car. And was using Adewamiwa's car without appreciating. Okay, now Kabiyesi have seized that car and told her that she should go and bring her car in Ikoyi. If she don't want, let her trek. Anything she wants to go to the palace, let her trek. Because it was out of anger that Kabiyesi seized that car. Now she have been begging, asking Kabiyesi what would Kabiyesi want her to do, since she doesn't bring her car down here. In short, Kabiyesi doesn't even want to look at Tobiloba. If Kabiyesi sees any reason to seize even seize the air Tobi breathes this time, he's going to do it, because Tobi is so annoying. What have she gone to tell her uncles, even that her stupid uncle, for him to come and start threatening Queen Naomi? What have Queen Naomi done to him or and the Tobi? If not for the same Queen Naomi, Tobiloba wouldn't have been welcomed back to the palace. Guys, I don't know why people forget the good thing that people do for them so easily. When you are in need, you will be running kitty-kata looking for who will help you. When you finally receive that help, you will feel like you are now on top of the world. You will not appreciate the person that helped you. Anyway, guys, that is what I said. Let me just share this one. That Tobiloba have been using opportunity of the palace official car, but now she no longer have access to it. If she want, let her go and bring her own at Ikoyi. If she doesn't want, let her trek. That is what Kabiyesi told her, since she is unappreciative human being. Thank you. I love you guys, and don't forget that all of these are all alleged. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please give my video a thumbs up. Bye.